All right, folks, we have a new feature for you and we're super excited about it. It is the print to PDF function. So when you have a meeting record that you want to print out and ship to a client, we have a button for that now. You can find this button at the bottom of your recently completed meetings, or you can run a report and then find a meeting that way. So I'm going to come over here to reports, run the binder report for 15 days, and then I'm going to go grab us a meeting to view, and I'll show you where the button is. So you'll open up a meeting, and at the very bottom, scroll to the very bottom, you'll see this button that says export as PDF. And so what this button is going to do is it's going to take all of the information that's in this meeting and process it into one PDF. So as you can see, we have the date, the content, the trainer, the participants. We have 11 signatures that will also be processed and an attachment down here. So we're going to press the export as PDF button. And when we press that, it'll pull us up to the top. And that's where this little icon comes into play. So this icon is telling you when the processing of this meeting is going to be complete. So as you can see, it turned green. It's 100% complete. So then now we can open it. So you can either download it here, or you can press the eyeball button and you can view the PDF that you're about to download. So I'm going to show you this little icon, and I'll show you what the PDF actually is like. So like we said, this is basically all of the information that was in the meeting. You have your company name, you have the trainer's name, you have the meeting date, you have the name of the content you were training on or the form you filled out, and then you have the location that it was conducted at. Below that, you'll have your trainer and their signature if they completed one, and then you have all of your participants down here. So it puts the signature of that person right next to their name along with their employee ID if you have that. Next, we will have this QR code page. And what this is it's a QR code of the attachment that was in the meeting. So if you have multiple attachments, like let's say you filled out the form and then you have a signatures page, that sort of thing, there will be multiple QR codes for the multiple attachments. So if you want to use this, you can. And basically the purpose is to be able to scan this QR code and look at the attachments versus having to print them all off down below. You can use this feature if you want. You don't have to. Either way, below the QR code page, you will find your attachments that were associated with that meeting. So you can see that this JHA was filled out and it was attached to the meeting. And so here it is. So that's it. It'll have your attachments, your signatures, the company name, the location, the name of the meeting, that sort of thing, all wrapped into one. And then you can just ship it out. So going back to IRONGATE, you can either view it or you can download it. And one other thing to know is that this little icon will tell you when it's complete or if there's an error. All right. So you don't have to stay with this window open. You can navigate away from it and go ahead and do trainings, whatever you need to do. And when it's ready, it'll pop up green. So then you can just go in and view that. So that's the new feature. We hope it's super helpful for you guys. Let us know what you think. Thank you.